So, hello, good morning guys. So, hapit na mahuman ang June. Oh, di ba? And we have mid-year madness sale sa sa Metro. June 14, 15, and 16 up to 70% off. Pero oh well, mauna. Mid-year naman di ay. It's half a year, half the year is passed, has passed. And kumusta man yung half the year, di ba? Was half of your year, well spent? Well, of course, moingon yuta, kuan man na. Mapasalamaton yuta sa Ginoo na natay half the year na, pero morning we have another half of the year na para, to continue our momentum, or maybe shift to another level, kanang step up, or maybe so uban to chill. Depende rin yun na. But I guess ang ako lang maingon, it's almost Christmas na sad. So that's the funny thing here sa Pinas na by the time na bago na sang buwan si Jose Marichan is gonna be magipang-count dito si Cebu is waving na. He's peeking behind the tree already. And mauna itong kuhaan ba? Mauna itong Kalingawan. Diba? Pero mau gini itong the Philippines, Christmas has become like a big celebration. And kay katawanan kay na story about Christmas June pa lang, but in reality we just don't know. The next time we blink probably diba? July, Agosto, September na, and September is our Christmas season na. So nang katawa na lang ta, diba na? Might be funny, but indeed, Christmas is around the corner. Diba? But anyway, aside from Christmas, we have also elections around the corner. Diba? Maraka nagkaiguan ba? So nanata diri, kuya kita shortcut sa diri SRP bros. So it's a morning, good morning. Diba? So well, Cebu, ang kuha na to sa Cebu is kumusta man, how do you find the new acting mayor or acting mayor Raymond Alvin Garcia? So suspended man si Mike Rama, and is quite, in a way furious din sa iyang sitwasyon na, diba, I think in the beginning of the year they're thinking about re-election, sa ilang mga line-up, they talked about elections na, and suddenly there's a suspension. And the funny suspension is ginapadong na mabalik niya mura sa lame duck, because October naman and it's election season na, so dili na mura kuan ba, it's dili na kay makahimog mga unsa-unsa na mga balaod or unsa imong gusto mao na yan, and then many events will pass naman, and then I guess this is also the opportunity of Mayor Raymond Alvin Garcia to pakitang gilas ba di ba, magpakitang gilas ta. And so far I think daghan kay siya giusab sa, di ba, for example, slash sa budget sa palaro, is more friendly with the CPA sa MCWD, and those are the issues usay na sabot nagdaglabad sa atong mayor. I mean, the real elected mayor Mike Rama. So di pa mauna atong kuan. Mali ang question dayon. Karon maulagi niya mura man sa una i-declare yun na ni Mayor Mike na si Raymond ang iyang vice. Unsa naman ron kung makatilaw nung asa ni ko kung makatilaw na kagahom ba? you ever step back to become vice gihapon? Di ba? O ya di lang ikaw ba na unsay makatilaw nagahom kani imong mga galamay sa imong mga bata-bata ba? O di ba? I'm sure una kung sa una lahi ang naghari-harian there's a possibility des opisina des kuan lahi na sa maghari-harian di ba kinsay lakas yan ang gina matot pala weather lang pero mao gyud na di ba langan so kana unsa may kuan na mo balik pa mo balik mo imong ulipon may mong kuan may mong sulugon di ba di ba so mo na yung kuan na to ron na ikaw ni na issue ron na and I don't know kumusta man is there a difference basan of for voters ron kita voters ma-feel ba natong gobyerno na nabay diferensya mas efficient ba mas maayo ba ni pagdala sa ato di lang sa gali sa atong kaban di ba so how do they manage na wa ba mga problema unsa may kuan ba kaning mga nabay na usab sa traffic intay sa peace and order di ba tanaw na to di ba kumusta ang dagan ani and I guess this is the chance of Mayor Raymond to show na to the people also some people say na di pa kuno na siya ready some people say sunoy pa na siya kung sa politika pa sa as a mayor paano pag-manage sunoy baka but sometimes nindot man sa ning sunoy di ba di ba sometimes way ako maingon lang is these are opportunities for him so this is a big opportunity to showcase his skills di man lang na kuan usay mo sige sa una na baka sa mayor or sa sometimes an effective mayor is not just about siya good ang bride siya sometimes it's about appointing the right people in the right positions it's a team ang una ka na pagpadagan sa syudad is a team di ba kung ikaw lang to sa panahon ni Tomas may si Tomas di ba may naging na pero he still needed a team di ba na to sige pang hire ng mga batanon mga as management trainees to really help kuan ba di ba run the city so mo na exciting times I guess so ato gina we will continue observing kung if there are really differences maabagan ni si maabagan ni Mudas Raymond di ba I'm hoping for the best also kasi so tinuod lang we always need na marag kinahanglan maguna-una na tag succession eventually ba who will be the next generation of leaders sa Cebu di ba and I guess oportunidad na sa uban ron to showcase step up ug uban pa di ba dapat ila-ilaho na to kinsa atong ibutang sa posisyon so dapat dapat sila or dapat competent sila and also ilang competent but we deserve really a great one di ba kinsa kay murag man next na kuan ba as a father of the city di ba nang on yun na natay kuan atong tagaan nagpagtagad na di ba so thank you so much for watching mana this short drive so nanata and I hope to see you sa sunod tong drive naglaag o uban pa bye